Today we're baking chocolate croissants, chocolate chips, and we have Pillsbury croissants. What are we waiting for? Whoa, it's coming open. It's ripping open. Now we're going to put the chocolate chips in. Now we're going to roll them up. Now we are going to spread out the roll. Now you have to turn on the oven for 350 degrees. Bake for 10 minutes. And now we wait. Now we have to take them out. Get out there. One for Mom. And another for Mom. Breakfast is served.
I'm Jasmine's sister, and I'm going to give her a review. She made me a nice plate of chocolate croissants, which are so good, and a glass of milk. So let's try them. This is what they look like. And then they have chocolate. So that's a 10 out of 10 for me.
See you in my next video. Subscribe to my video.